Hi my friend, I'm Maya, welcome to my channel. December is just starting and this means that it's time to create a new bullet journal spread for the upcoming month. And you already know, this is my favorite time of the year. The year? Month. This is my favorite time of the month. Let's just get into it. Let's start this index page and prepare your tea, prepare your coffee or little candle, whatever you do to make yourself cozy, and plan with me this December bullet journal. For the December bullet journal theme, I decided to use a Christmassy holiday theme, and some say that this type of theme is getting a little cheesy and old, but it's still making me happy and it's concealing the void that I'm feeling inside. I'm just kidding, but I think it's cute and I'm not gonna overthink it. So prepare for a lot of holiday themed stuff, and I hope that you're not gonna think that this is cheesy, but if you are gonna think that this is cheesy, then go away. No, I'm kidding, I love you. If you think this is cheesy, I still love you. So as you can see on the index page, I drew a circle with December written inside and a cozy snow-covered house. Around the circle I added elements like yarn, socks and branch, and I thought that the corner looked a little empty, so I added colored paper there where I drew different snowflakes on it. For December, I decided to make it a little different from my other spreads and decided to put the monthly page on one page instead of the 2 pages. And instead of putting the calendar on the whole page, I decided to create a little calendar, and I'm gonna put all of my monthly tasks and events on the side of the calendar in the white and gray spots. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room. This does not say hot weather, then it would not be logical. It says hot chocolate weather. When I showed this spread to my boyfriend, he was like, hot weather. Wait, why? Why is it hot? And then I had to explain it to him, so that's why I feel I have to explain it now. It's hot chocolate. That's supposed to be a drink of a chocolate, but when you look at it, it says just hot weather, and it's just for the aesthetic, and it's meant hot chocolate weather. Let's continue. Okay, so I decided to add a mood tracker for the December. I haven't used the mood tracker spread for some time now. I think I haven't used it for like a year now, because I didn't think that there were any benefits to it. It's really hard to sum up the mood of the whole day into one mood, and that's why I haven't used it for a long time now. But this December I was just feeling like it. I saw this type of spread with fairy lights on Pinterest and I really wanted to see how it ends up if I do it. So I'm really excited to see how this turns up at the end of the December when it's gonna be all colorful. So now I'm really glad that I did it, and I'll see at the end of the month if I'm gonna do more of the mood tracker spreads. Next to the mood tracker I did a sleep tracker where I'm not gonna put the hours of when I'm sleeping, but I'm gonna input the amount and the quality of hours that I'm sleeping. My sleep schedule is oof, just oof. I go to sleep at random hours. I really have to work on it. This is not something to be joking about. So on the right side of the page, I added a little cozy corner where I put a table with a Christmas tree on it. Also, have you decorated at your home yet? I haven't done it yet. I wanted to do it on the 1st of December, but December came so quickly, I haven't had the time to do it. So I'm gonna decorate this weekend, this Sunday probably. And I'm wondering, do you want to see how I decorate my apartment? It's a really small apartment, but I'm still gonna have a tiny Christmas tree and some ornaments put in on the wall and little lights and stuff. So I'm wondering, would any of you like to watch that? I don't want to post only bullet journal on this page. I want to do like other different types of videos, but I'm a little insecure if any of you would like to watch that, honestly. So yeah, tell me in the comments if you would watch that, how I'm decorating this small apartment. But yeah, for now, let's continue with the other page of my bullet journal. The ink that I used went a little through the page, so I had to cover it up with colored paper. And so I had to improvise this page a little bit. So this is my habit tracker, and this is probably the most useful page in this bullet journal because I use it religiously. It helps me keep track and do more of my habits. I track how much I work out, how much I journal, read, stretch, and take my vitamins. This is the page that I'm not really excited about in my whole December bullet journal spread, but I had a different idea in my mind for it, but it didn't end up like that. So the ink came through the page, the other page on my sleep tracker page before, and I wanted to cover it with a star, but then it looked really awful, so I put the star away, and this page is not something I'm really proud of, but still I'm gonna use it, and it's still something. And on the page next to the habit tracker, I did a December bucket list. And this is the page that I'm probably most excited for, to cross out everything that I did throughout the whole month, because there is some exciting stuff on here. I'm really excited about making s'mores, going ice skating, of course setting up the tree and decorating, I already told you that, and basically everything that is on this list, making hot chocolate, putting a puzzle together, buying a Christmas candle, everything that is on this page is really exciting to do. So I am excited with crossing out everything on this bucket bucket list for December. Bucket lists like this are so fun to do because making of the bucket list is so fun, and obviously doing everything on the bucket list is so fun to do. So if you haven't done a December bucket list yet, I recommend you should do it. And you don't have to worry about putting big events or things on this bucket list. Even the little things like making cookies or making hot chocolate is still fun to do. And I don't know why, but putting these simple things into a bucket list just makes it even more fun. Is it just me? I don't know. Okay, now the last 2 pages are really Christmassy. This first page is a Christmas countdown where I'm just gonna color out every day of the December. It's not adding anything to my life. It's just an exciting advent calendar to cross out every day of the December. And then on the right page I have a gift ideas and a cards to send page where I'm gonna put every gift idea that I get for everyone that I want to give gifts for this year. Also an old family tradition that we stopped doing, but it was so fun to do when I was little. We're always doing little cards to send to my family, and then we stopped doing that, so I want to start doing that again and make little DIY cards to send to everyone in my family to wish them happy holidays. One thing that I didn't include in this bullet journal video is a weekly spread or weekly spreads for every week. That's because I decided for this month to create weekly spreads on the go every week separately, because I want to try out different types of weekly spreads and figure out which one works for me. So maybe when I'm drawing that, I will film it and post it as shorts on YouTube, or I'm gonna post it on my TikTok. So this is it, my December bullet journal, and I'm really happy with this one. It's a Christmassy, cozy theme, and I can't wait to see it all filled out. It's gonna be so colorful and so happy, so I'm really excited for that. So this is it for this video. I wish you the whole happy December and a fulfilling end of this year. Oh, I forgot to add, subscribe if you want to. I'm creating bullet journal content, and I also, as I said, want to create other types of content as well. But if you want to subscribe and comment down below anything, I really love when I get comments on my videos. I love talking to you. It's like I have a little community here with other bullet journal enthusiasts, and it makes me really, really happy if I can talk to you. So this is it for this video. I hope you have an amazing day. Bye!